Hi everyone, we're now driving back towards Edwinstowe and we're going to drive through the centre of the village, and I'll show you where the car park is as well. So as we are coming into Edwinstowe now, it's down here. This is where you would park your car in the car park here. So the visitor centre is on the left. The parking, sorry, and the actual building is on the right there. So there's not a lot in Edwinstowe, as much as the old village. There's literally one street, High Street, which we're going to drive down now. It is actually quite small. But this is the route you would take to go back to Center Parcs, so it's a good route to show you. And there's another Robin Hood statue on the right there. And there's the pub, the Black Swan, on the left, quite a busy pub. And this on the left here is the Dukery's Lodge. So it's been there a long time, as you can see. Quite busy in the Dukery's Lodge. And obviously up here you'd go right to go to Sherwood Pines and then straight on to Center Parcs. So if you're stopping at Center Parcs, you really don't have far to travel to get to the Sherwood Visitor Centre. And there we are, Center Parcs is on your right there. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Just a short one, showing you the way from Center Parcs to the Sherwood Visitor Centre. And what I'm going to show you now, before I end it, is I'm going to show you the entrance to Rufford Country Park, if you are thinking of staying at Center Parcs. I've done a video on Rufford Abbey Country Park, so it's worth checking out. Highly recommend you check it out, folks. So Rufford Country Park is on your left here. As we're driving up, you'll see it there. There's the old gates, and then the entrance to your left there. You do have to pay to park. Parking isn't free, but it's worth to pay the parking, because there's quite a lot to do and see within the grounds. Make it worth the trip. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this driving video if you are thinking of going to Center Parcs. So yeah, check out the playlist, folks, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.